Do you have a Wolfbox Mega 200? I do, and I just used it on all the electronics in the back of the car as well as on the Corvette, and I have done some pretty good damage on the battery. I am down to 1 or 2, depending upon the moment when I look at it, 1 or 2 lights left. So if you're gonna have this for yourself, you should absolutely get yourself this. This is an extra battery. It is obviously not essential to life because you could just recharge this with USB-C, but it will make your life a whole lot easier. I have definitely found that with a reasonable amount of unit, if you're going to do multiple projects or an extended project, you definitely will chew through this battery. I mean, when you get this thing and you start using it, the amount of power is incredible, which is why it's going through the battery. It is like warm in my hand, and it has used up this battery, so I am happy to say that you can get yourself an extra battery. Get yourself an extra battery, you just swap out the batteries. You just do a quick hot swap, put in the new one, bam, you're ready to go. Anyway, you should definitely get this for yourself. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way, and there are normally pretty good deals there. If I've added some value in this conversation, please remember to like the video, follow the channel, smash that hype feature if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any ideas for additional use cases for these, I've already got a whole bunch of them, but I want to hear what you guys, how are you going to use these? Put it in the comments below. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.